Good morning, Kalamidians. Today we're here at SM Seaside to check out the newly opened Ichiban Shabu-Shabu. So I love Shabu-Shabu, and if you love Shabu-Shabu too, you better check out this video to see the newest Shabu-Shabu place here at SM Seaside City. Shabu-Shabu, dili ka ng shabu na drug. Sa ka ng Shabu-Shabu, bala ka na magluto-luto ka na naisabaw. Yan, alam niya, yun kayo na. So, labi na beef, seafood, o kuban pa. So karon, niyan ako ron sa Shabu-Shabu Ichiban #1. So this branch is located at Skypark, and now I'm gonna try it out.
Shabu-Shabu Ichiban. It's Nagoya's #1 hotpot chain. So a lot of unlimited Shabu-Shabu options for you to enjoy. So hope to see you here at the 3rd floor in Skypark in SM Seaside City Cebu.
Kung ganahan mo Shabu-Shabu, nasa all you can eat diri. So this is Nagoya's #1 hotpot chain. So tag 488 lang magsugod, ang ilang all you can eat. But they also have group meals na 999, good for 4 people magsugod. But they also pwede na i-upgrade up to 1,999 for 6 people. So awesome siya so far. I'm really happy kay malinga mo kung magluto-luto dayon. Of course, ilang ingredients daghan sad kay kapilian from those seafood balls to the meat to the veggies. Daghan yun, susulit yun siya, and plus there are 24 kinds of soup. So wow, lami kayo, lahi yun ang hotpot, and dapat nyo tilawan. So nara sila sa Skypark diri sa SM Seaside. So check them out, and thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe and keep on watching my videos.